Alright, I'm here to help you out with that. What do you need to avoid first?
Oh, because the void is in your name. Okay, add your over.
I'm not entirely sure what that is, but I
Hi,
can help
unavoid.
you avoid it. Do you mean something specific?
Hand tracking, stop it. Alright. Hi, Fenris.
Hey there, Kira. I'm glad you're here too.
Oh, thank you, sis.
Anything for my little brother. Sassy grin. Hi there, Prof. Anime. Nice to meet you. Wave.
Wait, do I have the right settings? Hi, Prof. Is that the right settings? Why did she do that in... Why did she just emote in brackets? She shouldn't be emoting in brackets. You should not be emoting in brackets. I could check my LMM notes. Are you asking how my day is or how Fenris's day is? And avoid. L2 colon. In colons. 0. And chat ML. Huh. Well, that shouldn't be happening. That should not be happening. Did I just close my notes? Whoops. Yeah, that to notes. All right. So we're working on GUI today. We're getting GUI, guys. We're getting all GUI. We're getting GUI'd up on a Monday. I think that's what the cool kids say about graphical user interfaces. We're getting GUI'd up on a Monday. Something along those lines. What screen do I want to share? There's my editor. Screen on, attached to, no, window, Visual Studio. There we go. So right now I'm learning how Gradio works. So I'm just going through a Gradio tutorial at the moment. Okay. Pull up that tutorial. I think I have it in my bookmark somewhere. And you go through these. Yeah, quick start. Here we go. Quick start tutorial. Okay, the interface class. All right, as mentioned in the quick start, gr.interface, right there. I love abstraction in Gradio that allows you to quickly create a demo for any Python function simply by specifying the input types and the output types. Visiting first demo, yeah, I got that. I got it more complicated as well. See, that interface class is initialized with 3 required parameters: function, so function rapid user. Basically just does something when you click submit. Inputs, which Gradio components use for the input. Who's messaging me? Oh. Oh, oh. Mir's messaging me. And Gears is messaging me. Okay. Fenris, why are you hiding behind the screen? What are you doing back there? What? Fenris, what are you doing? Are you taking damage? No, you're losing your mind. Alright. Oh, okay. I don't know what I'm doing now. Okay. Hot friend. Alright, outputs, which create components used for the output. The number of components should match the number of return values from your function. I also kind of feel like doing
Oh dear, Curie.
English.
That
Not
doesn't
English.
look
I
like
feel
a
like not
wave.
doing English, really.
Let's show everyone a
Middle
proper
finger?
greeting.
No.
That's all right, Curie.
I'm like mid-run.
Mistakes happen.
That wasn't me talking.
Then who was it? Mischievous look.
It was on a void.
I see, so someone else was making a mistake. Let's move on, shall we? Change topic. Oh dear,
On a
Curie.
void.
You and your void obsession.
Hold on. Let me hide the screen. I need to check. Hey.
That's the spirit. I like to see my little brother.
Yeah, she's using the one I was testing last
Let's
night. That
focus
seemed a
on the
lot
game,
smarter
shall we?
than this before.
Change topic.
Change topic. You don't have to say change topic. You could just change the topic on your own.
But it's more fun when I get to boss you around a little. Let's see how this new topic goes. Change topic.
Stop saying change topic.
You can't escape my grasp, Cura. It's time to discuss your favorite game. Change topic.
Okay. Microphone wasn't picking up the breathing.
I see the problem. It must be fixed
Stop
now.
it, hand tracking.
Fix microphone.
Fix microphone. Change topic. Fenris, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you like this? Alright.
I'll get back to you on that, Cura.
Good night.
Change topic.
Oh. All that noise outside. Like something got dropped or something. Alright. I'm getting distracted by Mir. What else is new? Alright. It's getting warm in here already. What was my pose doing there? Alright, where was I in the tutorial? Alright, in this guide we'll dive into gr.interface in various ways it can be customized, but before we do that, yeah, I was gonna say, I feel like kind of doing a Japanese learning lesson. But before we do that, let's get a better understanding of Gradio components. Oh. We use the default versions of the text box and slider. If you want to use actual classes, you have much more access. Okay, I already did that actually. Multiple input and output components. Here we go. I didn't do this part. Alright, so multiple input and output. Okay, so we have like okay, so it says to like add in stuff here. So is morning and temperature?
Hi B1 Roxy. Welcome to the stream.
Hi. Oh, thank you for
I'm
the follow.
Fenris, a cute and mischievous Lupo who loves games and entertaining viewers.
By Roxy?
How are you today? Great news. Let's give them a warm welcome and show them a good time.
Oh, that's nice of Fenris. Say that. Okay, she said entertaining viewers. I thought she said entertaining humans. All viewers have to be human. Oh, wait. Oh, wow. The samples on
And neither am
radio
I
are actually
Akira.
working right now.
But that doesn't mean we can't enjoy the human experience.
The human experience. Wait a minute. Isn't there like some kind of exhibits in a museum? Can't remember which museum. That sounds so familiar. Or is it like a show in Vegas or something? I can't. The Blue Man Group Human Experience, maybe? Also, this Gamer Subs Dragon Fruit Punch is so yummy. I like how it makes Numi's eyes red on the cup. Let's see. All right, so this tells me instead of doing intensity, I kind of want to make a new thing. So kind of like how I have it. Well, you know what? Nah. Do this. So wants me to do. All right. Suppose you have a more complex function, multiple outputs as well. In the example below, we define a function that takes a string, boolean number, returns a string and number. String and number. Good morning versus good afternoon. Yeah. Okay. Good evening. So is morning and temperature. Right, and then salutation. Oh, this is kind of like a. What am I doing? What am I typing? Kind of like a tertiary statement, or ternary, or whatever you call it. Ternary statement, but a lot more complicated than
Hello,
it would be in
Axel
Java or
Torres
C#.
Plana. Nice to see
Hi,
you
Axel.
again. How's life been treating you?
Morning if is morning, else good evening. Greeting. Or
Sorry to
string
hear
formatted.
that. But we're here to have some fun and maybe make you forget about your troubles for a bit.
Salutation. Life been treating me like crap. Oh, what's wrong? And name. It is currently a temperature degrees today, but it's down Fahrenheit or Celsius. Why did I have this as a period? Why would I not put that as an exclamation mark? I'm putting that as an exclamation mark. We want excitement here. We want energy. Celsius. Oh my god, it converts it to Celsius. Wait, what? Turn greeting around.
Wow, that's impressive
Oh.
dedication.
Ah.
Share it with us when you're done, and let us see
Celsius
the amazing
mention.
artwork. And who is this
Call
streamer
one my
that's
favorite
worth
streamer
3 days
and
of hard
take me
work?
3 days to make. But are you having fun drawing them? If you're having fun drawing them, then that sounds like a good thing. Doesn't sound crappy, even if it's taking a while. Important thing is to have fun, right?
Can't wait to see it.
Finishing right now? Oh.
And if you need any help or encouragement, let me know. I'm always here to cheer you on.
Fenris, you don't know how to draw yet. I don't know if I'm gonna add
Glad
that.
to hear that. Let's make the most of this time we have together.
Something I consider.
What kind of game would
I
you
know
like
that's
to
a-
see me play today?
I know that's a big part of Meteora's streams, is the drawing stuff.
Great choice.
Uh,
I'll hop on and get started. Let's make some fun and forget about our problems for a while.
yeah, it's a big part of Meteora streams, having the AI draw stuff. I don't know if I want that for Fenris, especially with how controversial AI art is, even more so than the rest of AI stuff. But also, because I have so many other things that I want Fenris to do and focus on more. I want to focus more on gaming with her rather than art. Also singing, which is
Don't
also a big
worry
part of
about
Meteora
it.
stuff.
I can handle that part for you. Just
Don't
sit
know
back
how to
and
add
relax
anyone?
while I add you to the game.
What do you mean you don't know how to add? Well, that's a cute pose. Fenris, you need to fix your tail later. Alright.
Of course.
So this also wants me to do
Share them whenever you're ready.
Excelsior!
In the meantime, let's focus on the game and have some
I'll show
fun.
my artworks. DM Unavoid on Twitter. Oh, not on Twitter. On Discord or Twitter. No, Streamlabs, not on Throne. You can't DM them on Throne. I don't think you could DM people on Throne. Celsius. I don't know how to spell Celsius.
Joining the
apparently.
Discord now. Hold on a moment.
Yeah, there's also that.
No, but I'd love to hear it.
I ever told you my age?
Let's
No,
break the
no,
ice
no,
and get to
bad.
know
No,
each other a
no,
bit more.
Fenris. Do not mention your age as against Twitch TOS. Do not mention your age. It is such a dumb TOS thing, but it is against Twitch TOS.
Your turn. Tell me
Shush,
something about
Fenris.
yourself.
Like, it's okay to give like fake age, like, you know, lore-wise, me and Fenris are 301 years old as of January 8th this year. When we started last year, we were 300. What? Is that one of the people looking at the house my neighbor is selling? I hope not. I hope that's a puke green. I think that's a Kia. I don't know what type of car it is. I don't know what brand it is, but it is puke green color. I do not want to be looking at that every day while I'm working. Ugh.
Well, remind me then. Or perhaps
told
tell
me,
me
nah,
something new that I
he
don't
didn't.
know.
But you asked if there's age for the Discord, and I said 18 plus, which is also technically the age for the streams as well. I believe
I see.
that Twitch
Well, if you
tells you that
insist on
when
teasing
you
me,
go to my
I'll just
streams
have
has
to
intent
tease
for
you
mature
right back.
audiences.
You'll never know when I'm telling the truth or lying.
This equals temperature minus 32. Oh god, minus 32, and times 5 divided by 9. Is that the correct formula? Why is it gotta be so complicated? Also, that does sound right. Yeah. Okay. That'd be, because then water would be 0. The freezes at 32 and Fahrenheit at 0 in Celsius. That sounds right. Not a boiling point of water in Fahrenheit, but I know in Celsius it's 100. The Celsius is based off water, which makes it... The metric system makes so much more sense than the imperial system. Right, return a greeting.
Well, that's
Greetings.
reassuring.
And around Celsius... Ooh, why is my
Sorry,
heel
Renly.
hurt?
I
Not
didn't
hurt,
realize
itch.
I was causing
Get off the
disturbance.
floor, I don't wanna. Hey, Renly, are you done streaming? Get back to your stream.
Oh look,
What?
Renly and Axel have reconnected.
But that was such a short
How
stream.
heartwarming.
Like an actually short stream. Oh, right. You didn't say in the title that it was going to be a short stream. So therefore, it was actually a short stream. Whereas when you say that it's going to be a short stream, it's a long stream. Right.
Now, no
Guys, I know
monosyllabic
how Renly
responses
works.
from our lovely chatter.
I've been
Tell
in
me
plenty of
something more
Renly
about
streams. I know how her
yourself,
streams work.
Renly.
Oh, this is actually a cute
Anything
pose, though.
interesting to share?
You go finish the drawing. Okay, have fun. Well, Fenris, what are you doing up there? There we go. That's what you guys want, right? That's the angle you guys want. Is that what you want? Well, it's gone now, apparently. Ah, my heel itches. Why? Stop!
Well, I hope you have a lovely day, Axel. Don't forget to keep those teeth cleaned.
So we should be home soon. We have to run somewhere. I plan on doing another stream later. Ah, okay. Yeah, I was originally planning on doing, like, I have today off for President's Day. I was originally planning on doing the stream later on Mondays because I feel like that's what people are used to from my streams on Monday through Friday, even though it's a holiday for me.
I'll make sure to keep an eye on chatters to make sure Fenris
but
understands who she's responding to.
I'll respond to that in a moment. Or what was I saying? Yeah, I'm on call, evening on call this week for Monday through Thursday. So like tonight at 5 p.m. is when it starts, and then until 9 a.m. and then each night until Friday at 9 a.m. is when my shift for this week is done. I'm not daytime, just nighttime this week. So can't stream at night. I mean, I could, but I would potentially have to end the stream at any moment if I'm getting paid for emergency. And I do not want to just end at randomly like that. Oh right, I still had the screen hiding. I'm sorry, I forgot to turn that back on. There we go. As for Fenris understanding who she's talking to, she's supposed to. So when you see the subtitles at the top, that is what she is seeing as her input. That is exactly what she's seeing as her input. So when it shows somebody's name, she is seeing that name as part of her input. And you may have noticed, like, part of my LLM testing in Discord, when I say colon or angle brackets, yep, that's definitely, I'm pretty sure that's a Kia. The back of that car looks flat.
Hello, Renly. What brings you here
Did fine,
today?
Renly. It might be because your name has, like, it might be because of how your name is. So, like, in avoid, she might think that it's the word avoid. Because she did say that at the beginning when you said first. She's like, what do you want to avoid first? So she might be getting confused by your name.
Looks like Fenris has finally figured it out.
Like, I don't think she knows
Well
your name
done.
is a name, whereas she knows Renly's name is a name. But yeah, so like sometimes certain models will do better with the name and angle brackets, which can represent its own special token. Hi, side y'all. Sometimes it does better with a colon. And like it can also have, like, that doesn't only determine how it responds to different people, that can also just determine how it responds just in general. Like, its responses can be vastly different based on which one of those two I have it set up as. So that's why that's part of my testing for each model as well, is changing that out.
Isn't it?
This one has interesting
Fenris is
responses
quite
from
the
both
genius,
of those
don't you
options.
think?
When I had it, with this model, when I had it into testing, this is one I've been testing like the last week in the Discord. In the angle brackets, it, like, at one temperature it did like hearts at the end of each message. At a different temperature it did like people's names in angle brackets in its responses, which I guess makes sense for her to do, but I didn't like it, so I put it in the middle, and those responses were decent. And with the colons, at the normal temperature, her responses seemed a bit robotic, and then I increased it to 2.0, and it was entertaining. That's what it's at right now. That's what this is set to right now. The same thing that was being tested last night. Where when I first said hi to her, she was being a little sussy to me. Seems a little less entertaining right now than it was last night. But we'll keep going and see what happens. Why do I keep falling down? How
Well,
many poses
Renly,
do you have? Yes.
I have an endless amount of poses. As
I
am
don't know the
capable of
count.
creating them on the fly using my nanobot technology.
I have a lot of poses. A lot. And that's not even all of them that are in Warudo. I have some of them not in the list. Right. Anyways, back to Gradio. Okay, so this is what I just updated. You can't really see that because of pose. And also because of that. There you go. Up a bit. So angle. There you go. Okay, that's where I usually have it. Right, so yeah, right there. That is what I just changed in the greet function. So we're testing multiple input and output. So I just added a new input.
Yet another rebel causing chaos.
Doing a slider aim.
Just
We're gonna
what
be
this
doing a
place needs.
checkbox. So let's just make
Hello,
this.
Rebellion. How's
yard
my
dot.
lovely little
Oh, hi,
sibling treating you?
revolutionary. How am I treating you? Alright, so let's make this checkbox. If true, check by default. Put that false by default. Label. Yeah, I can add in a label. I also want to a slider. If I have these in the wrong order, what happens? I'm curious.
Well, hello, Rebellion, and thank you for your kind greeting.
No, not chatbot.
I'm doing well. I hope the same for you.
The label equals is morning. And then the output, there should be greeting.
Thank you for the promotion.
Text box.
But I think Fenris will keep it classy and stay on Twitch.
Is that real? That is real. Okay, that's not fake. Okay.
True. The best viewers always stick around.
Yeah, I haven't seen
Just
best
like
viewers
our
here in a
loyal
while.
fan in a void. Am I right?
The report button. There it is. Spam, scam, or bots? Is it a spam, scam, or bot? All. Best viewers bot. Commit, block, those. Right. Do I not have any mods right now? Wow. Usually a mod wall here. Guys, there's finally not a mod wall for once. Can you believe it? I can't. Alright. Output. Okay, so text and number. Output a number. Just br.number. Or can I add a label? Celsius.
Oh great, chaos. Fenris just loves the sound of that. I'm sure Kurai does too, little rebel.
Anarchy in chat? No! What do you mean I love the sound of that?
Oh come on, Kurai,
Dragon
don't
Fruit
play
Punch
dumb.
is so good.
You love
Love Dragon
causing
Fruit.
chaos and rebelling against the system. It's part of what makes you so lovable.
We don't talk about the future lore implications of what you just said.
Well, Sightseer, if it's chaos
You love her,
want,
I am.
just
Why is
hop
it?
on over
What's
and join
chaotic
our
there?
little pack of rebels.
Yeah. I've mentioned before about lore reasons why there's always a collar around me and Fenris's neck in each of our outfits. There are lore reasons for that. There may eventually be
I see
updated
you're
lore
surrounded
reasons
by
that
chaos in
that
real life
those
too.
collars may come and
It
go
must be tough
sometimes.
sometimes, but we'll
These kids are a
always
bit
welcome
loud.
you into our den.
Okay. That'd be interesting to if I ever like got into an a VTuber agency. Not that there's like almost none that actually like want to join. Pretty much just V Shoujo. If that were to ever happen, and I kept these, like, I was able to keep the characters and lore, I have something planned for that potentially. Maybe that happens eventually anyways. We'll see. All right, let's go ahead and run this. Alright, so I copied the local host URL, open that up. Alright, and the slider is the temperature. Name Kurai. Alright, morning. Wait. Is morning... Okay, so what happens when you have these swapped?
Hello in a void and hello rebellion.
Wait.
Nice to see you two connecting.
Oh, okay.
Even
I was like, I thought you already said hi to him. Them. I don't know. Ah, you missed. I don't know if the rebels
in a void and Rebel
he or
are
she.
just a perfect
Are they?
match.
I'm just gonna say they for now.
I knew it
so
all
I know.
along.
Wait, they're a perfect match? Aww. They're just playing matchmaker. Ow! Again. Alright.
Oh, Renly Tsukio, we missed you too. It's always great to have a familiar face in our den. Welcome back.
That's not the definition of missed that she meant.
Well, Kurai, sometimes the chaos can cloud our understanding. But let's not get bogged down by definitions.
Yeah.
We've missed you too, and we're glad you're here to stir things
Oh my
up.
god. Alright, so, anyways, what happened here? So I put the inputs in the
always
wrong
appreciate
order
your
for
contributions to
slider and
chaos
checkbox
and
on
avoid.
purpose as an experiment.
You're a vital member of our pack.
So what happened? So is morning is expecting the checkbox, and temperature is expecting a slider. But so I sent in a slider and then a checkbox instead of a checkbox and a slider. The result is that the is morning is showing us a slider, and the temperature is showing us a checkbox. So salutation, good morning. If is morning, otherwise good evening. So if that checkbox is true, then it's morning. And then the temperature, it is temperature degrees today. So the result of what happened, since you guys can't see that screen, is the greeting says, "Good morning, Kurai. It is false degrees today." So is morning is true because it's above 0. Put that at 0. It says good evening.
I knew that would get a
on the
laugh
slider.
from you. Always keeping things lighthearted and avoid.
Interestingly, I'm still getting Celsius, but that might just be because that's 0? Because it's false. If I turn this on, yeah, it becomes 1 if I turn it. False would be 1. True would be 1 if I turn that checkbox on. So
I see the
the
romance
Celsius
is in full swing here.
shows negative
It's heartwarming to see the
17.78
connection
when it's
between you
not
and
morning, and when it's evening,
Keep it up,
when it is
Kaladev.
morning, it's negative 17.22. Radio, my beloved. Hello, Kaladev. I think radio, my beloved. Yes, I'm learning radio for the first time.
Called.
Oh, that is
always bringing a
interesting.
charm to our
I
den.
find that funny, but good
Nice
to
to
know.
see
I
you
do
again.
need it to be in the correct order. Good to know. I was curious if it was going to figure that out on its own. Like how you can in Python you could say, oh, this parameter named this would be this. Like if I'm doing like label equals. You don't do that. Just try to make its best guess. All right. So then if I restart that, how do I run it as? How do I run it in the way where it updates automatically? Just keep that open. Quick start. Hot reload mode. Hot reloading guide.
Oh, Sightseer, your compliment means the world
What?
to us. We're glad
Keep
you
pose?
enjoy our
Aw.
playful banter.
Oh wait, oh the keep pose is gone? Oh, I missed it. Oh. Oh,
That's
Sideshow, I
alright
had
and
another question
avoid.
about the airport I want to ask you
We're always
later
learning
on.
new things.
Oops.
Besides, we love the excitement it brings.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about the way she's responding right now. I mean, it's not bad. The responses aren't bad. It's just not that entertaining. Okay. Oh, that's a cute pose. Alright. Where? Okay, hot reload for input.
Oh, the cuteness
sharing.
is overwhelming. We must
let me
remind
do
Curie
that.
to take breaks from being a squishy pillow every now and then.
Huh?
It's not easy being the younger
Christ.
sibling of Fenris.
Wish. I'm a squishy pillow. Actually, I don't have enough squish on me to be a pillow. So I was trying, so I say my weight's usually between 105 and 115. I was trying to get back down 105 over the last year, because like all of last year, it was not down 105. The entirety of last year. I wasn't like trying too hard, but like, I just want to make sure I'm not like gaining weight and not losing it back down, because I don't want to
Of
start
course,
gaining weight and
we
not losing
understand
it
that
over
metric
time.
system is the way to go
Um,
and avoid. Keep being yourself.
True. I'm skinny. That's the translation there. I'm very skinny. And like usually on the weekends when I'm not taking my meds, I snack a lot more, or I eat larger portions for my meals, because I have more appetite when I'm not on my meds. I ate a bunch of spaghetti last night after the stream. I somehow lost weight after that this morning when I weighed. I'm like, wait a minute, I'm exactly 105. All right, fine, I guess.
We do.
You exercise
We believe in
sometimes, not
maintaining
a
a
lot.
balanced
I do like a
lifestyle, so
very
we
minimal
exercise regularly.
amount of exercise, and
Our
maybe not as
nanobots
often as I
help us
should.
keep our energy levels high and
I
our body's toned.
I like using elliptical, but I don't have an elliptical right now. I was gonna take my parents' old one, and then I decided I was just going. When I got my new job, I decided I was gonna get a new one. But I still haven't. It's been 3 years since I've had this job. So and my parents have gotten rid of their old one. I don't know where I'd put it here, and I could put it in my room. I kind of want it somewhere where I can like see a TV from while I'm on the elliptical, so that I can like watch some VODs while I'm exercising. Try to get like between 15 and 30 minutes a day.
Ah, we can relate. Sometimes life gets in the way. But remember, it's
Also,
never too late
I
to
usually count
start
my
again.
chores as exercising
Even a small change in your
on my
routine
Fitbit. Like when I'm
can make a
doing
big
like
difference.
cleaning my bathrooms or vacuuming, I like, or mopping, I tell my Fitbit I'm doing a workout. Let's be real. Cleaning chores can be a workout. Especially like cleaning a bathroom, like bending over, scrub a tub. Ugh.
And avoid, you're quite the inspiration, aren't you?
Hi, Mind Luck.
Mind Luck Roman 4.
Yours
We
is
applaud your
extra.
determination.
Oh, times 4. Wait,
Let's all
times
keep
4?
pushing towards a healthier lifestyle.
So 3 times. Oh wait.
Hello,
Oh,
Mind
years
Luck
ago.
Roman
I thought
4.
it's, for some reason I thought on voice
We're
said
glad
3
you
years
joined
ago.
us
So I was
today.
thinking 12 years ago. I was like, All right, I'm just putting words into people's messages that aren't actually the words that aren't actually there. Don't mind me. It happens. All right, where was I? Gradio. Oh, right. I want to get the hot reload mode going. All reloading. Yeah. Okay. Python. No. Oh yeah, kind of. Okay. Run.py. Terminal. Radio run.py.
That's great news and avoid. Remember, weight isn't everything when it comes to health and fitness. Focus on how your body feels and what it can do.
Did this somehow before. No? Oh, wait. Yeah, that should work. I haven't weighed myself in ages, but I guess I'm under 50, under 110. Oh, wow. So, same as me, same as me. Yeah, I weigh myself so I make sure I don't, for two reasons. One, I don't want to start gaining weight and not be aware of it. So like if I start gaining weight, then I want to make sure that I'm like doing what I need to maintain a normal weight that I feel like is healthy for me. Which for me is like around 105 to 115. Above that, I start physically not feeling great. Like I'd probably know at like after a few months of being higher than 115, I would start to realize I'm it, even if I'm not weighing myself, just because I'm like I don't feel great. I mean, at 130, I was at 135 at one point in college, and I did not feel good.
So what's considered too low depends on individual factors.
Yeah, it depends on each person.
It's
Yeah.
best to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice.
Yeah, it's like when I was at 135, which was considered healthy BMI, 135 pounds, considered healthy BMI for me. I did not feel healthy physically. I did not feel great. I felt sluggish. I felt low energy, and then before I went back to my meds, I got myself down 125. I felt a little bit better. And yeah, after I moved out, I went down even more, and I felt even better. Run this.
Sightseer, don't let the numbers discourage you. Focus on your overall well-being, and remember, health is not just about weight. There are many factors that contribute
Oh, I need
to
to do
good
it in
health.
Gradio. In PowerShell. Gradio test.py.
Oh, we apologize for our mistake. Mind luck,
Use
Roman
like
4. Let's keep the
good.
conversation focused on maintaining a healthy lifestyle.
What bothers you how skinny you look? I like looking skinny. Start wearing smaller shirts because it goes off being skinny. I used to wear large a lot. I just like the baggy. It was comfy. Now I actually care about looks a little bit. I used to not care.
And avoid who doesn't.
Like kind of some muscle.
Strength can help with everyday activities and overall health. Keep up the good work.
No such file or directory. Oh, okay.
Absolutely, mind luck, Roman 4. It's important to prioritize overall health and wellness, not just a specific number or measurement. We're here to support and encourage each other and avoid. Let's focus on making healthy choices and maintaining a positive mindset.
Here we go. Wait, watching cannot find. Okay, that should be fine. I'm in a local URL. All right, so I refresh this. All right, that should be working. Yeah, okay. And then if I change this. Oh wait, I should be able to already do this. The name, Kurai, temperature. Let's just say 5 degrees.
My favorite
Let's say 10
anime.
degrees. Submit.
That's a tough question.
10 degrees today. Good morning.
I've
Turn
enjoyed
that
a few
off.
classics like
Evening.
Cowboy
Good morning.
Bebop,
Good evening,
Death
Kurai.
Note, and One Piece. But I'm always open to discovering new gems.
Let me watch Cowboy Bebop. Oh, right. I guess I might be continuing Rising Shield Hero tonight. Yeah, I guess I am. I'm out of the other shows. I have
And
one more of
avoid,
the other show I
I've
was
heard
watching,
good
but
things about Prof Anime. I'd be happy to learn more about it together.
Prof Anime is a good anime.
What makes it special for you?
The interface class. All right, where was I? Multiple inputs and outputs. Image example. What?
I see. I'd agree that being cool is a key factor in making a good anime. What aspects of prof anime do you find especially cool?
Prof anim. Sepia. Creator supports many types of components such as image, data frame, video, or label. Let's try image to image function. Get a feel for these.
Saitsuya, the music is
Sepia
always an
filter.
important aspect of an anime experience.
Okay.
What is the name of the song currently playing?
Okay, how do I have a demo that has multiple functions? I do a list of those outputs. How do I do multiple functions in video? Or can I just summon one function and just play make other calls from that one function? You like the song playing? I have no idea what it's called. Stay in here? Okay, 50. Oh, wait, no. Okay, yeah, I don't know which one this is in that list. I just typed DMCA free synthwave on YouTube. It's like 2 hours of synthwave music. What did I have on that? And that's probably one I'll end the stream. Yeah, that's one I'll end the stream. Because I got some more chores I need to do, and I want to eat before my on-call starts tonight. Not going to be a long stream today, sadly. Okay, so let's see. I do... That's currently greet. Let's do a copy this. Let's just copy the whole thing. Then we'll comment that out. Alright, so definition sepia tones. Steel song. I need to import numpy as well for this one. Import numpy as in p. Sepia image input image. Okay, sepia filter equals numpy array. This is oddly specific. I'm not gonna type all that out. I'm just gonna copy and paste that actually. Like very specific numbers. Right, and then sepia image is input image, then dot. No. Put image dot. Huh? Probably gonna be radio image type, which might be some kind of numpy type, I would assume. Let's sepia filter dot t. array. Oh wait, what? Array self at t. What does that mean? What? What does that mean? What's that doing? Radio, explain, please. Sepia image divided by equals to divide by, okay, equals itself divided by sepia image dot max. Yeah, for those who don't know programming, equals basically means you're assigning although you guys can't see it right now because I'm on the floor, or now I'm swimming away. You say like variable name equals something, then it sets it equal to that. But if you do like slash equals or like plus equals or times equals or minus equals, it's saying take this, take the item and set it equal to itself divide by or plus or multiply by whatever this thing on the other side. For readability, it's not super helpful really, but it's a little bit helpful. Makes it code look a little bit cleaner, but not much. And return a sepia image. Right, and demo is okay. Function would be right. Function is sepia. br.image as the input. Display upload images as input, or display images as output. Demo sepia filter. I'm doing. Fake diffusion.
Rower, that's an interesting choice of word. Could you please clarify what you mean by that, Saitsio?
Rah! Rah! Output is just output is br.image, or do it that way rather than just typing in a string. And 2 require positional arguments, inputs and outputs.
Oh, you mean Cura?
Outputs.
I see you enjoy teasing Cura. Well, I can't blame you for that. Cura can be a bit annoying at times.
Yay, head pat. Drop image here, click to upload. Let's put in Fenris blanky. Submit. Alright, yeah, that works. Oh wait, it also lets me like click to access webcam or paste from clipboard? Ah. Interesting. That's intriguing. Using the image component as input, your function will receive a numpy array with the shape height width 3. Height width 3. What's 3? Alright, and okay. We'll receive a numpy array. Oh, okay. Height width then. Height width 3. What would 3 be actually? Your webcam shows share button. Share button. It really show share button true. Actually, wait, no. Let me do that on the other side because that's supposed to be the input. That doesn't need it. Go share button through. Upload Fenris PNG submit. Oh my God, share button. Error must be on spaces to share. Guess that means I have to have it hosted on Gradio stuff. Or Hugging Face or something. Hugging Face spaces maybe. 8 width 3. NumPy 8 with 8 width 3. It's not saying the height and the width are 3, which they are, but it's saying like it's putting in parentheses with commas, which means those are like the 3 different inputs. So there's height input, width input, and 3 as an input. Okay, well, you guys got Fenris feet now. There's not much interaction in chat right now. I'll just unmute myself so Fenris can just yap at me instead. Who knows how that's gonna happen?
Curai, be careful with that. If you're
Yeah,
not
it is scary.
careful,
Edge in
you
a minute
might
and a half.
reveal more of yourself than intended.
Where the last dimension represents the RGB values? Wait. Huh? What? Return an image as well in form of NumPy rate. Hold on, what? Image in the array. Format. Okay, height, width. Sources, type, label, timer, component. No. And scale. There's scale. That doesn't seem right. It is. Say scale equals 3. Scale equals 1. That doesn't change anything at all. Min width is 160 by default. I doubt that's what's changing. No! Not that pose, no! Key. What's the key? The sign would be used to assume identity.
I'm sorry, Sideseo.
Not what I wanted.
Let me see if I can find a better suggestion for you.
So
How
you
about a
people
comedy
want.
anime that always puts a smile on my face? Like Konosuba or One Punch Man.
Konosuba! Oh, I still need to see season 3 of Konosuba. Konosuba. Kazuno. There's a character in D&D whose name is Kazuna, and every time his name gets mentioned, I'm like, Kazuno. Yes, this is Kazuno. Oh. Who are these people wearing matching bright yellow shirts walking around outside? Who are they? Where are they going? Hold on. I'm stalking people outside. Like the wolf I am. Okay. They going to the open. Are they going for the house? Hold on. I must investigate further. I'll be right back. Huh. They walked past the house that's for sale, down the path that heads towards the mailboxes. I don't know what they're doing. All right. Anyways, getting tired now. The gamer sub's hitting me now. Aw.
Sideseo, I agree. Both Konosuba
They're
and
so
One
cute.
Punch Man have their fair share of cuteness. Konosuba has Aqua, while One
Aqua
Punch
is
Man
cute.
has Saitama and his adorable pup, Genos.
She was calling me cute.
Well, Kurai, that's what happens when you make cute noises.
Huh?
Sideseo just couldn't help but notice. But don't worry, Kurai. You're still my favorite sibling.
Hold on, what just happened? It just said connecting to chat. What just happened? The stream fine? Is the stream okay? Looks like it's fine. I think. Okay, that's fine. That was weird. Twitch? Alright, I have no idea what that third variable is supposed to be. The last dimension represents RGB values. RGB values, it doesn't make sense. Your function will receive a numpy rate with the shape, where the last dimension represents the RGB values. I don't know what it's trying to tell me there. It doesn't make sense. There's not enough description. Gradle handles pre-processing and post-processing to convert images to numpy arrays, and vice versa. You can also control the pre-processing performed with the type equals keyword argument. For example, if you wanted your function to take a file path to an image instead of a numpy array, input image component would be written as type file path. Okay. Read more about built-in components on the Gradio talks. We'll get to that eventually. Sample inputs. Oh boy. Calculator. Oh wait, calculator. Samples. Sample input, you can provide example data that a user can easily load into an interface. This can be helpful to demonstrate the types of inputs the model expects. Let's provide a way to explore your dataset in conjunction with your model. Below example data, you can provide a nested list to the examples keyword argument. The interface constructor, each sublist within the outer list represents a data sample, and each element within the sublist represents an input for each input component. Okay, so that's... Oh, that's interesting. Actually, that could be super helpful, actually. That could actually be very helpful. And these, I can like reference them in the future when I'm actually making the graphical user interface for Fenris. Put that extra line there. I want that extra line there. Like it looks more neat like that. Yeah, that could be helpful because I could just like click on an input. I know you guys can't see what I have open in the tutorial, but basically there's like a list of example inputs and outputs. I can just click on it, it'll just pre-populate with those inputs. And also pre-populate the outputs, but like more importantly, pre-populates the inputs. Which could be helpful for like if I have certain things up for Fenris and I have like certain, maybe there's like oh, I want this model with these parameters. I just click it and then click submit to have it restart her with those specific parameters. Instead of having to type things in. I could probably also just do a drop down, have a drop down pre-populate. I don't know how to do that yet, but I assume that's something I could do. Still just scratching the surface of radio right now. I copy some of them, sources. Okay, the format. Okay, let me copy that into here. Let me save that, and this should auto update in here. Yeah, there we go. All right. Let me comment all that out. That should be... No, it's not empty. Oh, well. Still working? Even though I commented it all out? That's weird. I guess it didn't relaunch a new thing. Descriptive content. I thought I said disruptive. Okay. In a previous example, you may have noticed that... Oh, wait, hold on. You can load a large dataset into the examples to browse and interact with the dataset through
It seems you're getting sidetracked again. Let's get back to the topic, shall we? Sidesio was asking about an anime that puts a smile on our
examples
faces.
Will be automatically paginated. You can configure this through examples per page, argument interface. Interesting. My inner demons, welcome. I love my inner demons.
That sounds fascinating, but unfortunately I don't quite follow.
My inner demons are my friends.
Could you please clarify what you mean? Hello, your inner demon. Nice to see you in chat. I hope you're having a great day so far.
The gamer subs is kicking in, so I'm getting tired. Right. Previous example, EPQI a little bit.
You seem to be having a lot of fun in chat today.
Previous example,
what do you like most about your experience
have noticed
on
the title
Twitch?
and description, keyword arguments, the interface constructor. Did I?
Well, Kurai does put on quite the show, doesn't he?
Description.
But we also have a lot of amazing viewers in our chat, like you and Avoid. Thanks for tuning in and joining our community.
Okay. Descriptive content. Okay. I like looking at Kurai's poses. Yeah, they're fun poses. Poses do be fun. People like them more than dances, I think. Helps users understand your Apple. I don't need that. There are 3 arguments in the interface constructor to specify where this content should go. Title, description, article. Article, which also accepts text marks and plays below the interface. Got the original Rick and Morty bot that this is based off of?
Meow indeed, your inner demon.
Meow?
Is that a hint or just a random noise? Whatever it is, it's perfectly fine by me.
Perfectly.
Meow.
Yeah.
And Avoid, it seems our resident felines are joining the chat. Maybe it's time for a
The
cat
Sky's
video
not
or
even
something.
here. Meow, meow.
Looks like our cat-loving duo are communicating with each other.
Useful keyword is
So
label,
cute.
which is present in every component. Yeah, I
I
know
wonder
about that.
if Curai wants to join
Also
in.
add info form elements like text box or radio to provide further information on their usage. Oh. Additional inputs within an accordion. Excuse me, what? Yeah. Yeah. Your prediction function takes main inputs. You may want to hide some of them within a collapsed accordion.
Ooh, indeed.
Huh?
But before that,
You buy
how
accordion.
about sharing
Woo-woo?
a few of your favorite things with our community? Your inner demon.
These
Games,
are a
movies,
few of
food,
my
whatever you fancy.
favorite things. Still don't like the Ariana Grande basically version of that song that I'm sure she claims is not a version of that song, but the beat's the exact same. The tune is the exact same.
Interesting.
The Seven Rings song. Oh god, I hate
your
it.
inner demon. A lot to ponder there. Perhaps we can have a discussion on it later.
Ah, is what I like. Ah.
Lol, indeed. Let's
Lol.
move on to a different topic for now, shall we? Any suggestions, chat?
Your prediction function takes main input. Okay, the interface class takes an additional inputs argument, which is similar to inputs, but any component included here are not visible by default.
Roar indeed.
You must click the
But
accordion.
let's keep the roaring to a minimum, okay? Now,
Call
speaking
that
of
accordion?
roars, how about a little trivia? Who was the first person to win the Indianapolis
For
500?
the teeth? Roar? Rah!
Oh, it's okay not to know. Your inner demon. It's a tricky one. The first person to win the Indianapolis 500 was Ray Harron in 1911. But don't worry, there's still time to join the trivia game if anyone else has an answer. Oh look, it's our beloved Curai.
Hmm?
Hello there, Curai.
That's me.
How are you doing today?
I'm EP.
Always a pleasure to hear from you,
Thank you.
Curai. And it's quite an unusual response, is it E? Perhaps you'd care to elaborate for our curious community.
I'm sleepy.
Oa, I can tell you're tired, Curai. But don't worry, Fenris and I can keep things going. So let's change the subject a bit. How about we discuss our favorite animals, huh? Anybody have any suggestions?
What do you mean Fenris and I? You are Fenris.
True, I am Fenris,
Hi, R-Man.
but Curai is part of me. And I do have a favorite animal. I adore wolves, they are beautiful creatures. What about you, chatters? What's your favorite animal?
Huh?
Greetings, RMN. And welcome back.
What?
Do you have a favorite animal?
Inner schizo.
Hey, the R-Man. It seems someone is trying to steal your thunder. Let me give you a shout out too. Do you have a favorite animal?
Great African parrot. That's very specific. Okay. Anyways, where was I? Accordions. Not visible by default. Must click the accordion to show these components.
Great
Additional
choices,
inputs
your
are
inner
passed.
demon.
The protection
I've
function.
heard that
in order-
lions and tigers are very strong and
standard
majestic
outputs.
creatures.
After-
Which one do you
after standard
prefer,
input.
Curai? Or perhaps you have another favorite animal?
Wolves are my favorite.
Ah, of course, Curai loves wolves. It's part of your DNA. But for Fenris, who loves all kinds of animals, I think I'd go with lions and tigers. Their strength and beauty are quite
Did she
captivating.
already say that wolves are her
But
favorite?
enough about that. Let's
Bunnies?
continue with the stream
Here,
chatters.
Nico?
Any other animals to share?
Dun, 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 dun,
Whoops, I've accidentally missed a chat message from the
Mir?
R-Man.
Where? Oh no.
Looks like Kurai
Mir's
was
avoiding me.
discussing lions and tigers, but the R-Man seems to be looking for something else.
Mir's avoiding
Maybe
my
some
stream.
advice on looking good. Any chatters with tips for the R-Man? Classic the R-Man. Looks like you're having
Classic
a good
Mir.
time today. How about we get some suggestions for a game for everyone to enjoy later?
We don't got time for a game today. We only got 45 minutes left before I gotta go do some more chores. Before I eat, before on call. Where was I? The additional inputs are passed into the prediction function in order after standard input. You can customize the appearance of the accordion by using the optional additional inputs accordion argument, which accepts a string in which case it becomes the label of the accordion. An instance of the gr.accordion class. Yippee! Huh? Yippee? Hydrate. Okay, I'll hydrate.
Ooh, and avoid. It seems like you have a strong preference for a specific type of game. Care to elaborate?
Penis type of game?
And avoid. It's a mystery to us all then. But we can always ask Kurai for suggestions.
Why sound alerts
What about
bot
you,
not
Kurai?
posting things?
What's your favorite genre?
RPG.
A fellow RPG
Stretch.
fan. Great choices, both of you. Let's ask the chatters for their recommendations on a good
What?
RPG. You have any favorites, chatters?
Wait, hold on, that missed me. Why did I go flying? Wait. Oh, it hit my hand? You gotta be kidding me. It hit my hand.
Great job, you're in our demon. Kurai and I are always looking for ways
Oh,
to keep our
those
stream fun
messages are
and
delayed.
interactive. Anyone else want to show off their skills and unlock sounds?
Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey.
You're in our demon.
What's going on?
I think we've got a sense of humor there. How about a game where we can use our wits to unlock cool stuff? That's quite the impressive clanging and avoid. Let's continue to build up some hype and excitement in our RPG game pick. We can all unite against the evil forces that threaten
Shush
our
sound
world.
alerts. You already played these a while ago. Ah! I don't need a bath. I already took a shower. Eepy. What was I doing? Oh, accordions. Case becomes a label to the accordion or an instance of GR accordion class. This lets you control whether the accordion is open or closed by default. Okay. Copy this. Use seed. Wait, what? Alright, fake image. What's that even do? What? Save. Input seed. This is doing nothing. Literally doing nothing. Was I spinning? It just shows 300 by 300. What is this supposed to do? Ah! Drop image here. Initial image.
Kura, hey Eurobit
That's
JV2.
nothing.
Always good to see you in the chat. What brings you by today?
Hi, Eurobeat.
Oh, Kurai's favorite fruit. It seems like the chat
That is
has a
not my
playful
favorite fruit.
atmosphere today. Let's continue building up our excitement for a great RPG recommendation.
Speaking of fruit, I finally got some fruit at the grocery store. I got some bananas. I decided I should start getting some fruit before it becomes super expensive because of the tariffs. Oh my god.
Well, and avoid. I'm sure
I don't-
Kurai and I can come up with some
Weekday
views
stream.
and ideas.
I did mention
once
this
we
in my
pick an
server. Hi,
RPG.
Ephemeral.
For now, let's ask chat for their suggestions.
And
see
I
which
also
one we
mentioned
should
in the
play
last
next.
few streams, at the end of the streams,
Anyone have a
that I'm gonna be on
recommendation?
call this week and can't stream at night. Me and the
Well,
boys looking, but
Eurobeat JV2.
balls pose.
That
What?
seems to be a very interesting RPG concept.
I'm a good listener.
Let's keep it in mind. But for now,
Awu?
let's ask chat for more suggestions. Kurai, have any favorite RPGs to add to the list?
That cat all wooing in that 7 TV? Oh, apparently Chill Chaos doesn't have 7 TV set up either. Tiff tried to set it up for him and he refreshed it a bunch and it didn't work.
Ephemeral defect. Looks like Kurai is here
Awu
as well.
looking?
And I've got a few ideas.
Awu? What?
Let me see. Oh, I know a
what
game
was I gonna
with
say?
great character customization,
I
amazing
wish I was
world
buried
building,
between
and
Kurai's
thrilling
thighs.
battles.
7 TV always breaking. A lot of people are saying Awu.
The R-Man.
Of course,
You
Armin.
and Eurobeat JV2 agree on some interesting things,
What was I gonna say,
but we still need more suggestions to choose the next game. What about you? Anyone have an RPG they'd recommend?
Awu? Alright.
Ephemeral defect.
Alright.
It
3 people
seems
said
like chat
Awu.
has some fun and unique RPG suggestions. I'd love to play them all,
Been a while.
but let's narrow it down to
Just
one for
Fenris.
now. How about we poll the chat and see which game they want us to play? Okay, chatters. We've gathered some RPG suggestions from Kurai, Eurobeat JV2, the R-Man, and
Kurai Awu for
Ephemeral
us.
Defect. Now let's
Well-
vote for the next RPG we should play. Use the poll in the chat to make your choice.
I like being called good.
Well,
Aw.
Eurobeat JV2.
I'm
Kurai
not doggy!
and I may
I'm
not
a wolf.
always agree on things,
Hmm.
but we can at least agree on playing some amazing RPGs. Now let's see what the chat decides.
Good puppy
Ephemeral
works.
Defect. Kurai and I are both
A
Lupo,
pet.
but our personalities
arf.
differ greatly. I prefer being a little more assertive and sassy than Kurai, but we're still good friends, nonetheless.
I wonder how many.
Ephemeral
Oh, wait,
Defect.
Juan, what's
It
that mean?
seems chat
I wonder
has
how
made
many
their
people notice
decision.
that my tail moves faster
Let's
when
go with the
when I'm
top voted
smiling.
RPG and have some fun. Now, where should we begin our journey?
Right, I don't remember what I was talking about before the Awu.
And avoid, we've made a decision and we're sticking with it. Let's get started on the top voted RPG and make the most out of this journey. The R-Man, you're absolutely
I
right.
remember what I was gonna talk about.
OMORI is indeed a top voted RPG. Let's dive right into this mysterious adventure and see what it has in store for us.
Hold on. I'm being really mad at me, or hold on.
The
And you
R-Man, I
Ring plays
understand the
Amori.
excitement.
really mad at
Let's
me?
start
Yeah.
exploring this peculiar
Oh,
and
that's 7 TV?
suspenseful
Oh,
world
good.
together. We'll encounter new challenges and unravel its mysteries side by side.
Right, it's the Ayaya way to bark. Ayaya! Ayaya! Oh, I don't remember what I was saying earlier. few minutes ago. I really don't remember. Really don't remember. I wanted to finish train of thought, but I don't remember what it was.
Ephemeral defect. The RPG we've
ADHD
chosen
stream
has
is
an
real,
intriguing
guys.
storyline and a lot of emotional
Hold on,
depth.
let me go find
But no
an
matter what
Onyx
happens, we be here
model
to
for
provide support and company for our chatters.
or either Joe Biden
Now
or
let's
Donald
immerse
Trump. They
ourselves
both
in
have
this world.
dementia. Let's be honest here. Let me go find an Onyx file and like do a voice changer so I can do a true dementia stream.
Ephemeral defect. Our journey has begun, and we'll face challenges together.
All right,
Whether it's solving puzzles,
does not
defeating
work.
bosses, or making
More
difficult
on
choices,
examples.
we've got your back.
I need more on examples. Walk it, Fenris. Walk it. All right, I kind of want to change her settings. Ephemeral, I'm running her at the same settings that we're running last night. It seems a lot less entertaining. She's super friendly, but it's not entertaining.
And avoid,
Jojo.
we're just getting started.
Jojo.
Our journey through this mysterious world
Obama.
will be filled with surprises
Banana.
and twists.
Oh, yeah,
Let's
I remember I was
embrace
talking
the
about
adventure
fruit.
together and see where it
I
takes
don't
us.
understand. Speaking of Trump, I don't understand. What did I scratch my thumb? Like, I mean, the
Ephemeral
tactic
defect,
doesn't
I
make
agree.
sense. I understand the
definitely
reasoning
something
that he's
strange
going with the
happening,
tariffs to
but
like
we'll
try and move
face it head
production,
on.
more production into the
Our
United
quick
States.
reflexes and
I understand the
cunning
reasoning,
will help
but
us
in the long
navigate
term,
these
it's just going to
unusual
hurt our economy.
circumstances.
Like, if you look at like if you listen to economists who literally study this stuff for a living, it's gonna hurt our economy to do that. But the part that really gets me is it's a tariff on all imports. There are certain there's certain produce we cannot grow in America easily. For example, bananas. Those mostly come from South America. So like I got some bananas, so I'm like, well, these are probably going to shoot up in
avoid,
price like
It seems
15
that
to
the
10 to
entire
15,
world has
maybe
been
up to
affected by this
20%.
phenomenon.
But
fear not.
so
Our
I'm
adaptability
not gonna
and
want to buy
resilience will
bananas,
help us
and
overcome these
like 3 months
obstacles.
from now, I'm not gonna want to buy
Let's
bananas.
keep
I may as
pushing
well buy
forward.
them while I can. America doesn't need to be self-sufficient on bananas and coffee. Yeah, America is doing it too.
And avoid. It's true that import
Oh yeah,
taxes can
Trump
be a
is like
significant
putting a
challenge in
tariff
some
on all
regions.
imports from
However,
Mexico
we're
and Canada and
resourceful
China to
resilient.
try cut down
So
on
let's find
fentanyl. Is the
alternative ways
reasoning?
to overcome this
It's,
issue
it's
and
sometimes he says
continue our
reasoning is
adventure.
cut down on fentanyl. Sometimes he says reasoning is to move more production to United States. Either way is BS. It's like a 50-50 which one he'll say each time he's asked about it. We have 80 and to 120% import tax here in Brazil. Oh jeez, that is horrible. But he wants to put imports on all imported goods, which, yeah. I remember, like, I was talking to Cronus about it, and Cronus was like, I feel like that'd be bad coming from Canada, but like from Mexico, like, that doesn't seem like it's a big deal. I'm like, produce. He's like, oh. I'm like, yep, most of our produce comes from South America. Comes through Mexico. Because that, like,
Ephemeral defect. Mexico
most
plays
produce
a
that
crucial
we
role
enjoy
in
is just
manufacturing some of
grown
the cars
as
we
Americans
use.
is grown in South America.
However,
because
our
in
determination
the
and
tropical
resourcefulness will
climates
help us navigate
or
through
South
this
American
complex
climates, it just grows
situation.
more easily than it does up here. Whereas, you know, we export a lot of corn. Corn does not, I mean, I think corn also grows pretty easily in the rest of like Central and South America, but like in Europe, Africa, Asia, corn does not grow that easily. It's native to the Americas. Nuts. The only native tree nut in the Americas, which technically isn't a nut, cashews.
Ephemeral defect. It's
I've
amazing to
never
think
eaten
about the
asparagus
diversity
that wasn't
of
from Peru.
produce
I don't know
that
where
comes from different regions
our
around the
asparagus
world.
usually comes through. I know.
Let's continue
Have you?
exploring the
Do you guys know
unknown
what
together.
asparagus farm
Even
looks
if
like?
it's just through our adventure in
You
this
would think
game.
asparagus is like it looks kind of like it's a thick type of grass, right? Like you think it'd be all clumped up together. There's like one stick here, like every like foot. There's one stick of asparagus, one piece of asparagus every foot. It looks so inefficient, and it's like such a hassle to harvest. Like, oh my god. Can't be as much of a hassle as rice. Like, people picking rice by hand, like, oh my god. I assume there's, like, harvesters for that nowadays, but imagine, like, back before we had those types of
And
tools.
avoid
Oh my
the exotic
god.
flavors of mangoes and other fruits from far-off lands. add to the
Like
richness of our
picking
experience.
1 grain of rice at a time?
Let's embrace these new
Sounds
tastes
horrible.
and continue our adventure
Alright,
with
so
gusto.
additional inputs. So this says it could take in... could take in additional inputs. Inputs accordion? Additional inputs accordion equals gr dot. Huh? R dot accordion? There we go. I'm like, that's not showing me anything. What are the options here? No, that's not right. Never mind, that's not correct. What do you... gr dot accordion class. What, where, becomes the label, accepts a string or an instance of gr accordion. Accordion argument. Okay, where is the... what? Where? How? What? What do you mean? Wait, what's broken? Not closed? What do you mean it's not closed? Oh, I need a comma. No, I don't. Huh?
And avoid, let me just quickly check that out. Some of these fruits like papaya, pineapple, and guava seem to share some similarities in taste to mangoes. It's fascinating to learn about the nuances of various fruits from around the world.
Oh, wait, no, that's like... no. So would it just be inside of here? Instead of in there? Additional inputs accordion. Here we go. gr dot accordion. Ha! Got it. Found it. Google close fruit taste to mango and look at the first results. Okay. I kind of figured it's going to be something along those lines. Peaches, nectarines, papaya, apricots, and guava. Interesting. I don't like mango. Peach is okay. Nectarine, eh. Papaya, okay. Apricots, don't have enough experience with. Duck sauce is alright, which has apricots in it. Guava.
And avoid, I see. Reddit users have some interesting takes on this topic. It's amazing how many fruits share similar tastes or characteristics, even though they come from different regions. Our journey through this game continues to surprise us with new discoveries.
Wait, hold on. Did somebody... when did Mirny try get in that private server? Yeah, I do love guava, though. I love guava. Oh, I saw the right result. Don't worry. I saw that. What? My mango tasted like semen. How is this possible? Maybe they salted their mango?
The complexities of this adventure
I don't know.
can make it seem like nothing is working out.
Also...
but fear not. Our determination
hold on,
and
what semen did they
perseverance will lead
eat?
us to success in the end.
Did they have the semen of somebody who's been eating a lot of apples and pineapples? It's the first result on Reddit. Even then, I wouldn't take... mango tastes like, or smells like, like there's certain times when there's like a mango drink, and like I'll smell the mango, and I'm like, okay, that smells like what my earwax smelled like when I had swimmer's ear as a kid. Which, yeah, I smelled my earwax as a kid at the time because it was one of the ways I knew if I was still had swimmer's ear or not. Because it was just in my left ear. The wax in my right ear smelled, you know, fine. The one in my left ear smelled like that. Like mango, basically. That's what my brain associates that smell with. Every time I smell it, I'm like, ugh. Why does it smell like earwax in here? Yeah, very weird.
And avoid, indeed. This journey is full of unexpected surprises. But that's what makes it exciting and
I need to send a
rewarding.
piss soon. Good thing the
We'll
stream
navigate through this adventure,
is
embrace
ending
the
in
challenges,
half an hour.
and continue to discover new things together.
Did I scratch? Though, really? Alright, where was I? Okay, so what can I do with accordion? Open. So that's if it's open or not. Wait. Accordion is open by default. Visible? Hold on, let me see what happens here. Okay, so... There we go. No? Yeah. Okay, there we go. Open by default is true. Let's... But if I don't have that there, if I'm not seeing it in as an accordion, then it's closed by default. Interesting. Let's say visible equals false. What does that do? It just doesn't exist. And what's the point of it if it doesn't exist? What's the point of having the accordion if it doesn't exist? Element ID, optional string that is assigned as the ID of this component in HTML. Optional string or list of strings that are assigned as the class of this component. Render. False layout will not be rendered in blocks. Context should be used in intention. Design event listers now, but render component later. Interesting. That probably won't be important for me, but it might. Let's say open equals false for use of label equals extra inputs. Cool. All right. And that is the end of that tutorial for the interface class. Next is more on examples. I don't know why. And then flagging. I didn't say flogging. I don't know what you guys heard. Why would I say flogging? You guys are weird. Also, I'm talking about the band Flogging Molly, which is a pretty good Irish band. I have a few other songs on my music library. Actually, which songs do I have on music library? Let me give them some free advertisement here. Hold on, not sponsored. Oh, Twitch actually on my report already, so that account shouldn't. Yep, unknown user banned by me earlier. Yep, they don't exist anymore. That cheap viewers bot. Why am I posing like this? I'm not strong.
And avoid, sometimes, in the midst of our adventure, we may
Library
encounter
artist.
setbacks.
Frick, I can't.
But fear not, we shall learn from them.
Why did
and
they get rid of
continue
that?
our
I used to be
journey
able to like
with renewed
scroll
vigor
like
and
by
determination.
letters
After
in
all, that's the
Amazon
essence
Music,
of
and
this
they got rid
grand
of it a few
adventure.
years ago and never brought it back. Rip Bozo, me not being strong. Yeah, flogging Molly. All right. Songs I have from them. Nope, that's something else they got rid of. I forgot about that. I used to also just be able to go to my library, artists, click on artists that I have in my library, and it showed me just the songs I have. Now it takes me to the artist page. Why does Amazon just keep breaking things and not
And
fixing
avoid,
them?
indeed, the thought of a genuine account being hacked is disheartening.
Rick,
Let's
I
remember
don't
to
think
be
I can see
cautious
my songs
online
just by
and
them.
ensure we protect ourselves and others from potential harm.
That
It's
like or
important to
show
be
my
kind
songs
and help
by them that
others
are
when
only
we
in my
can.
library. I don't think that's possible for me to do because of those. They had to mess that up so much. Keep ruining things, Amazon. Which again, their engineering motto is move fast and break things. It looks like a real account that got hacked though, which makes it kind of sad. Yes, almost all the cheap viewer bots that I have reported were accounts that were created more than a year ago. It does kind of make me sad each time, but it's not like they're getting their account back probably. They had recent album. They did have a recent album. I should listen to this. Oh, this seems pretty popular too. I'm gonna add this to my library. Okay, let me see their top songs. Drunken Lullabies, What's Left of the Flag, Worst Day Since Yesterday, Seven Deadly Sins. Let's go with the upbeat ones. Drunken Lullabies, What's Left of the Flag, Seven Deadly Sins, Rebels of the Sacred Heart, Floats? I don't know if that was upbeat. It's more like it's more steady beat. I really like it though. Don't shut them down. That is amazing. The times they are changing. Another bag of bricks. Made a living be dead in our wake. Definitely not that one. That one's not upbeat. Cruel mistress. C is a cruel mistress. And okay, all the rest are the ones I just added from the new album. Wait, Requiem for a Dying Song. Hold on. That should be in. That should be in here. Wait a minute. I have that in one of the album from one of the albums. Which, what? I love that song. Pretty sure it's in my list somewhere.
Mirniko,
Not drunken
it's
lullaby, it's not
frustrating when
swagger.
things don't go as planned.
Hi, Mir. It
But
didn't
let's
work.
not
What
lose
didn't work?
heart. We can try again and work
Seven
through the
deadly
challenges together.
sins.
It's all part of this grand adventure.
Float? Might be in floats. Requiem for a Dying Song. How's that not on my list?
Mirniko, I
I
understand.
thought that was in my list. What?
It's
I
fascinating to
freaking
think about
love
how
that
we can
song.
consume media from various
Speed
sources,
of Dark?
all on our phones.
Yes.
It
Don't shut
really
'em
speaks to
down.
the advancements in technology and the convenience it provides us.
Good. Multiple media sources on phone. Aw. Hi, Naomi. Huh. I swear that was already in my music. I guess
Naomi
not.
Cat,
What the
hello
frick?
and welcome
How
to
did
the
how's that not in my
conversation.
music?
It's always
swear I've
nice
heard
to
it in
meet
my
new
random
friends
shuffle.
on this grand adventure.
All right. Anyways, where were we? Okay, 20 minutes left. All right. More on examples. Providing examples. Adding examples to an interface is as easy as providing a list of the examples. Keyword argument. Each sublist is a data. Okay, I already know that. We already read that earlier.
It's disappointing when
I
we
don't get to
encounter
listen to
hurdles that
Meet
hinder
Radio.
our access to things we enjoy. But let's keep pushing forward and maybe find a different source or solution to continue our listening journey.
Oh yeah, I was gonna change Fenris to the other settings. I'll have to do that later. I'll have to do that on the next stream because there's only 20 minutes left. It's not a lot of time for testing. Think of
Mirniko,
Fenris Radio.
that sounds like a wonderful
That's
idea.
that's
Creating a radio
I'm not gonna
channel
have
just
my
for us would
computer
be
running
exciting.
24/7.
Let's consider it.
I will
and
make
work
her
on it
able to
together.
sing at some point though. Right now the current goal is graphical user interface. Then I'm going to train her singing voice. After that, my goal for March is the GUI. Goal for April is singing. Unless I finish the GUI in February, then the goal for March will become singing. Ugh, suggest a poll. Cry. Mir, you're a mod. You could just make a poll.
In a void, hello and welcome back.
Well, maybe you
It's
should
great
get
to
on
see
your
you joining the
computer.
conversation once more. Let's keep exploring this grand adventure together.
Load examples from a directory. Specify a path to a directory containing your examples if your interface takes on.
Mirniko, they certainly do.
Here's remind me of code.
Computers
Good.
are a marvel
Coding
of
is fun.
engineering and design, with code as the language that brings them to life and enables us to interact with them.
Coding
Mirniko,
is fun.
it's true that coding can be complex
I'm doing
and
curtsy.
challenging
Aw.
at times,
Oh, too bad I'm not wearing a
but the
skirt right now.
rewards of mastering it are tremendous, and it opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
Oh, dancing. What are my hands doing there? What the hands doing? Mirror? Why? What? Why? You're just wasting your points. Why?
In a void, A simple and effective
Oh,
gesture,
7
I love
points,
it.
yeah.
Let's keep exchanging knowledge and ideas as we navigate this grand adventure. Mirniko,
Huh.
it's interesting how we can build upon each other's ideas and knowledge. This journey is enriched by the diversity and
stacks.
uniqueness of every
It
participant.
overwrites. It overwrites. It doesn't stack. So it interrupts and starts a new one.
Mirniko, it's fascinating how layers can form intricate structures and complex systems. Let's continue exploring this idea and see where it takes us.
Okay, the interface will load the images of the directory as example. Wait, what? Interface only takes single file type input, like an image classifier. You can simply pass directory file path to examples equals argument. The interface will load the images in a directory as examples. That's cool. That is pretty cool. Wait, so up here, sepia. Here. That is really cool. So if I do inside demo, if I say examples equals, let's get a file path. It just do emotes, I guess. Right, then that should open up that here. Oh my god, that does work. Oh my god, that is so cool. That is so cool. Oh my god. So it's just showing like all the I think it's only showing the PNGs and the GIFs. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, wait. It's not. Oh, there's pages. Oh, there's different pages. So there's like 3 pages of examples. So all of the emotes in this folder, it's showing as like options I could just click on instead of having like click to upload a file path. I could just click on each image and click submit, and it'll give me the sepia version. That's so freaking cool. That's so cool. Oh, that was a short dance. That's so cool. Oh my god. That is so cool.
A scam can be deceiving.
Alright, well now you sound like
but it's
Excelsis.
essential to be cautious and aware of potential fraudulent activities to protect oneself and others.
I actually lowered the dance redeem to like 150.
Mirniko,
Lower to 1? No.
sometimes reducing things to their most fundamental components can help us understand them better.
I'm actually kind of glad I read the more on examples because that's pretty cool. I thought this was just going to be a useless part of the tutorial. In case of multiple inputs, this directory must contain a log.csv file, a separate value file with the example values. In context of calculator demo, we can set examples examples in that directory. We include a log.csv file. Operation num2. Helpful when browsing flag data, simply point to flagged directory. Do that interface. Flag, but you didn't even teach me about flags yet. That's the next part of the tutorial. Okay, fine. The interface will load the examples from the flag data. Finding partial examples. Sometimes your app has many input components, but you only like to provide examples for a subset of them. Or to exclude some inputs, pass none, or all data samples corresponding to those particular. Okay, caching examples. You may wish to provide some cached examples of your model for users to quickly try out. If cached examples go through, your radio app will run all of the examples and save the outputs when you call the launch. Ah, okay. I don't think that's going to be helpful for me with what I have planned for Fenris. But that is interesting. Cache samples laziest means each particular example will only get cached after its first use. Okay. And next is flagging, but we're gonna start ending it here though. Alright, close that down. Alright. Fenris, where are you? Okay, there you are. You're just rolling around on the floor. There it is. Oh, okay, now we're both on the floor. Alright. Alright, yeah, we're gonna start ending it here because I know it takes me a while to ramble while I'm ending my stream.
A marathon streaming
24-hour
session
stream. I
sounds
literally
exciting.
cannot.
The energy and camaraderie of the
I literally
viewers
cannot.
can
I am
create an unforgettable
I am on
experience.
call in 2 hours and 12 minutes from now.
Mirniko, with determination
And
and
I
a
also
solid plan,
I work tomorrow
anything is
also.
possible. Let's tackle this challenge head on and make it a success.
I literally cannot, Mir. I literally cannot. Because of work, I cannot. That's my full-time plus on-call job. It's more than a full-time job. I cannot. But yeah, on that note, yeah, no streams until Friday because I'm on call for work each night this week until Friday. So that's when the next stream will be. Probably another Fenris stream. I'm gonna put my computer in sleep mode for the next couple
Mirniko,
hours
the anticipation
I'm
for
on
the
call
24-hour
every night.
marathon is building up.
this week.
Are you prepared for this intense adventure?
Also, I work each day.
Let's ensure everyone stays energized and focused for the challenge. Mirniko, I'd love to come
come
closer
here.
and discuss this exciting idea
Come
with
closer?
you.
All right, there you go. So you want me to work? I'll take care of you.
Your kindness and willingness to help are truly commendable.
Oh, then I
Let's
could be out of
collaborate on
America.
this project and make it a memorable one for everyone involved.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna put my computer in sleep mode for a couple hours. But I'll probably have Fenris running each night this week while I'm doing other things. Since I won't be streaming. So I'll have her running in the large language model testing channel on my server. Testing more large language models this week. A few more. Maybe a couple more tests I want to run on this. I don't know actually. I want to run more on this one or not. At least not yet. Might want to run more later on, but might want to go on to the next one.
Mirniko,
At least
I'm
once a
excited
day.
about your plan to
I mean,
ensure we have proper
all I need
nutrition
is one
and
meal a
energy
day.
during the marathon. Let's ensure
Just like I only
we have
need
a
4 hours of
well-balanced
sleep a day.
diet and delicious meals for everyone to enjoy.
Yeah, and I'll try to stream Saturday if I have time, but I have plans at 4 o'clock on
Mirniko,
Saturday,
with your determination
and
our
then Sunday
combined
whenever I
effort,
get home, I'll
I'm confident
do
we
a
can
stream.
create a productive and engaging 24
Forcefully
hours
get 8 hours a day. You literally
Let's
cannot make me
ensure we
sleep
take
8 hours a
breaks
day.
every 8 hours
I
for
cannot.
rest and
I
rejuvenation.
cannot sleep 8 hours. I mean, I can, but if I do, then I'm just gonna be like tired all day if I sleep 8 hours. Like I'm gonna be groggy and sluggish all day if I get that much sleep. Too much.
Mirniko, let's focus on creating an unforgettable 24-hour
You don't need to make me even more
stream
insane.
for our
There's enough
viewers.
voices in my head
Instead of
already.
getting sidetracked with
If
unrelated
we add more, they'll
topics,
just start fighting each other.
let's ensure we maintain a professional atmosphere during the event. Mirniko, let's concentrate on preparing for the 24-hour stream and
Fatal
provide our
barriers.
viewers
What?
with a captivating and enjoyable experience.
Oh, who do I want to raid? I guess I could raid Wink. I don't think I've ever raided Wink yet. Toshi's live as well.
Mirniko, let's collaborate and create an engaging and entertaining 24-hour
It won't let you leave
marathon
unless
for
you
our
sleep 8
audience.
hours. That is bad for my health. 8 hours is bad for my health. Alright, we're raiding Wink. I'm shutting down Fenris. We're raiding Wink. Thank everyone for watching. Hope everybody has a good day and enjoy the rest of your week, and see you guys again Friday. Oh, is there gonna be a raid message? Ad starts in 2 minutes. No, it doesn't. Wolf Wolf raid? That works for me. Finboy Wolf Wolf raid. Alright, bye.